Hello students, welcome to Quick Solutions for All India Caste Test Series Test number 2 of RM code ENF, which was conducted on 31st of January 2021. Today I will be discussing zoology section of this test. Now let's begin with first question of zoology section, that is question number 136. Question states that a respiratory disorder characterized by difficulty in breathing, causing wheezing, and occurs due to allergic predisposition is, and the options given are asthma, emphysema, pneumonia, and respiratory acidosis. Asthma is an allergic condition and it involves inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles and bronchospasm, leading to narrowing of airways, which results into difficulty in breathing, especially during expiration, and causes wheezing sound also. So correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's see other options also. Emphysema. Emphysema is a chronic disorder in which alveolar walls are damaged. As a result, surface area for gaseous exchange decreases, and main cause for emphysema is cigarette smoking. Option number 3, pneumonia. Pneumonia is a bacterial disease and it is mainly caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza. Respiratory acidosis. Respiratory acidosis occurs when our lungs cannot remove enough of the oxygen produced in the body. Correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 137. Choose the correct pathway of air during expiration. The correct pathway of air during expiration is alveoli, then bronchioles, then bronchi, then trachea, then larynx, then nasal cavity. And this order is given in option number 3, bronchioles, bronchi, larynx, nasal cavity. So correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 138. Read the following: highly vascular, lined by squamous epithelium, irregular walls. The above points correctly describe, and the options given are terminal bronchioles, alveoli, trachea, and primary bronchi. Alveoli are lined by simple squamous epithelium. And alveolar walls are irregular also, and alveoli are highly vascular also. So correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 139. Which of the following is not a function of conducting part of human respiratory system? Conducting part starts from nostrils to terminal bronchiole. And gaseous exchange part is from respiratory bronchioles to alveoli. Conducting part helps in trapping of dust particles and microorganisms. Conducting part humidifies air. Conducting part regulate temperature of inhaled air, and conducting part conduct air from nostrils to terminal bronchioles. Now let's see the options. First option, transportation of atmospheric air to terminal bronchioles. This is a function of conducting part. Second option, humidification and temperature adjustment of air. This is also a function of conducting part. Third option, diffusion of CO2 from blood to atmospheric air. This is incorrect because this is function of gaseous exchange part, not the conducting part. Fourth option, clearing air of the foreign particles. This is correct. This is function of conducting system. So option number 3, this is not the function of conducting part. So correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 140. Match column 1 and 2 with respect to respiratory volumes and capacities. Column 1. Inspiratory capacity. Inspiratory capacity is sum of tidal volume and inspiratory reserve volume. TLC, that is total lung capacity, is sum of all the respiratory volume. So TLC matches with 3. Vital capacity. Vital capacity is sum of ERV, TV and IRV. Vital capacity can be defined as maximum volume of air a person can inhale after forceful expiration. FRC, that is functional residual capacity, is sum of ERV and RV. Functional residual capacity can be defined as volume of air which remains in lungs after normal expiration. So A in column 1 matches with first in column 2, B in column 1 matches with 3 in column 2, and C in column 1 matches with 2 in column 2, and D in column 1 matches with 4th in column 1. So correct answer to this question is A with first, B with third, C with second and D with fourth, which is given in the option number 2. So correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's see the next question.